So good afternoon. It's March 23rd, 2016. Colorado's having a spring blizzard. It's gorgeous outside. And just fed the horses. They're munching. Hopefully I can also share a picture. They were rolling in the deep snow, having a good time. Not much to say today. Just so beautiful outside. And I'm very grateful for the horses, because why else would I be out in the snow driving around town today? And it's so beautiful. Not cold, mid-30s. It's snowing. Can't get enough. I love spring in Colorado. 2 days, this will be gone. It'll be sunny again. All right. How long can you watch a horse eat in the snow?